There is something that stops a lot of people from doing what they actually want to do. And most of the time, it has nothing to do with talent, money, luck, or opportunity. It usually starts with one simple thought: what will people think? You want to start a YouTube channel, the idea is there, you have watched enough videos, you know what kind of content you want to make. But before recording the first video, your mind starts creating problems that don't even exist yet. You imagine your friends finding the channel, you imagine relatives talking about it, you imagine someone making fun of your videos, and suddenly something that should have taken 10 minutes get delayed for another month. The funny thing is that most of this situation never happen. They are only happening inside your head. A few years ago, if someone had asked me what people think about me, I probably would have said quite a lot. Now I think the opposite. Most people are far too busy dealing with their own lives. They have their own problems, their own stress, their own responsibilities, and their own goals. They simply don't have enough time to sit around analyzing every move you make. Think about yesterday. How many people did you see? Maybe while going somewhere, maybe at work, maybe at a shop, maybe while scrolling online. Now try to remember one random person you saw. What color was their shirt? What shoes were they wearing? And what were they doing? Most likely, you don't remember. Not because you have a bad memory. You don't remember because your attention was somewhere else. You were thinking about your own day, your own plans, something important to you, and that's exactly what everybody else is doing too. This is something I realized when I started paying attention to people in public places. Everyone looks busy. One person is rushing somewhere, one is in on a phone call, someone is thinking about work, someone looks stressed, and someone looks tired. Everybody seems be carrying something in their mind. That's why they are not focusing on you nearly as much as you think. But our brains don't see it that way. Our brains like to put us in the center of everything. You walk into a room and suddenly feel like everyone noticed you. You make a small mistake and feel like people will remember it forever. You post something online and keep checking how people reacted. Meanwhile, most people scroll, post, and continue with their day. That's the reality. I think social media made this problem even bigger. Years ago, you could make a mistake and only a few people would see it. Now it feels like everybody is watching every post, every photo, every story, every video. Because of that, people become more self conscious. They start overthinking simple things. What if anybody likes it, if nobody likes it? What if someone leaves a negative comment? What if it looks stupid? The problem is that when you keep asking these questions, you never get started, and nothing hurts confidence more than constantly avoiding things you want to be. Confidence does not come from thinking. Confidence comes from action. The first video feel awkward, the second one feels a little better. By the 10th video, you are already more comfortable. But if you never upload the first one, you will stay in the same place. The same thing applies to almost everything in life. Joining a gym, learning a skill, starting a business, meeting new people, speaking in public, none of these things become easier because you think about them longer. They become easier because you do them more often. And once you start taking action, something interesting happens. You realize that the audience you were so worried about is not really paying attention. Most people don't care, and I don't mean that in a negative way. I actually think it is one of the most freeing thing you can understand, because if people are not watching your every move, then you are free to experiment, you are free to make mistakes, you are free to learn, you are free to improve without feeling like the whole world is judging you. Look at any successful person. At some point they looked inexperienced, at some point they made mistakes, at some point they embraced themselves. The difference is that they kept going. They did not wait until they felt ready. They started before they felt confident, and that's why they eventually improved. I think a lot of people are waiting for a feeling that never comes. They are waiting for the day they stop feeling nervous, the day they stop worrying about opinions, the day they stop doubting themselves. But that day usually does not arrive first. Action comes first, confidence comes later. So, if there is something you have been putting off because you were worried about what people might think, remember this: the conversation you are having in your head is much bigger than the conversation anybody else is having about you. Most people are focused on their own lives, their own goals, their own problems, and that's perfectly okay because it means you don't need anyone's permission to start. You can begin today, not when you are ready, not when everybody supports you, not when fear disappears. Today. And once you do, you will realize something. Nobody cared as much as you thought, and the time you spent worrying could have been spent building the life you wanted. If you made it this far, comment below. I will start anyway, and I will see you in the next video.